The Blue Carbuncle. Watson, you are busy. Am I disturbing you? Holmes, not at all. Glad you're here. You know Peterson, the police commissioner? Watson, yes. Holmes, pointing, he found this hat. Its owner is unknown. On Christmas morning, while returning from a party, he saw a tall man with a white goose on his shoulder. A fight broke out between the man and some roadies. One of them knocked off his hat. The man raised his stick to defend himself and broke a shop window. Seeing Peterson rush towards him, the man dropped his goose and ran. The roadies ran too. So Peterson was left with the hat and goose. Watson, did he not return them? Holmes, that's the problem. A card tied to the goose's leg says, for Mrs. Henry Baker, and the initials HB are in the hat. But there are thousands of Henry Bakers in London. Watson, what did Peterson do? Holmes, he brought me the hat and the goose. He ate the goose last night, and I kept the hat. Watson, what clues do you have? Holmes, the man was intelligent, once well off, now fallen on hard times. He had foresight, but not anymore. His wife no longer loves him. Watson, my dear Holmes. Holmes, he still has self-respect, lives quietly, doesn't exercise, is middle-aged, has recently cut grey hair, and uses lime cream. Watson, how did you know he was intelligent? Holmes, putting on the hat. His hat size is large, so is his brain. Watson, and his fallen fortune? Holmes, the hat is 3 years old. He could afford it back then but not a new one now. Watson, what shows foresight? Holmes, this added strap against wine shows care. But now it's broken, and he hasn't fixed it, less foresight. Watson, your reasoning is impressive. Holmes, the hat has many hair ends, cut by a barber. There's lime cream smell. The dust on the hat is household dust, not from the street, so it was hung indoors. The moisture marks show he sweats easily, so no regular exercise. Watson, but how do you know his wife doesn't love him? Holmes, the hat hasn't been brushed for weeks. If a wife lets you go out like that, she doesn't care anymore. Watson, he might be unmarried. Holmes, he brought the goose as a peace offering. Remember the card? Peterson, the goose, Mr. Holmes. Look what my wife found in its crop. Holmes, surprised, by Jove, Peterson. Do you know what this is? Peterson, a diamond. Holmes, it's more than that. It's the precious stone. Watson, the Countess of Mocha's Blue Carbuncle? Holmes, yes. 5 days ago, it was stolen. John Horner, a plumber, is under trial. James Ryder, a hotel worker, said Horner was alone in the ladies' room. When Ryder returned, the jewel case was open and Horner was gone. Horner was arrested, but the stone wasn't found. We must now find how it got into the goose. We'll start by finding the man who brought the goose. Let's put an ad in the paper. Peterson, what about the stone? Holmes, I'll keep it safe. Buy another goose and leave it here. Peterson leaves. Watson, do you think Henry Baker is involved? Holmes, no. He's innocent. We'll know for sure when someone replies to the ad. The search for the goose. Holmes, to Breckenridge, good evening. You've sold out the geese? Shopkeeper, I can get you 100 tomorrow. Holmes, that's too late. Shopkeeper, there are some at the other stall. Holmes, but I was told to come to you. Shopkeeper, who told you? Holmes, The Alpha and landlord. Shopkeeper, I sold them a couple of dozens. Holmes, they were fine. Where did you get them? Shopkeeper, angrily, I'm tired of these questions. Where are the geese? Who got them? I'm done. Holmes, I'll bet £5 my bird was country bred. Shopkeeper, then you lose, it was town bred. Holmes, I don't believe you. Shopkeeper shows his ledger, look, 22nd December 2024 geese from Mrs. Oakshott, 117 Brixton Road. Sold to Mr. Windigate of the Alpha. Holmes laughs, he gave in because it sounded like a bet. He's a gambler. Now, should we visit Mrs. Oakshott? Shopkeeper, enough. Ask her. I'm done answering. Little man, one of those geese was mine. Shopkeeper, then ask Mrs. Oakshott. Little man, she told me to ask you. Shopkeeper, I've had enough, get out. The real thief. Holmes, to the little man, I overheard you. I think I can help. Are you tracing a goose sold by Mrs. Oakshott to Mr. Breckenridge, to the Alpha Inn, then to Mr. Henry Baker? Little man, oh sir, yes. I'm so thankful. Holmes, let's discuss it privately. Who am I helping? Little man, I am James Ryder. Holmes, head attendant at Hotel Cosmopolitan. Come with me. Holmes, the game's up, Ryder. Ryder, I confess. I stole the stone, hid it inside a goose owned by my sister, Mrs. Oakshott. But she sold them all before I could get it back. I gave false evidence against honor to hide my guilt.